a prominent state-owned seed enterprise, has partnered with Beacon Robot to implement our proprietary intelligent logistics solutions, successfully achieving fully automated operations for the entire process of finished seed products entering and leaving warehouses. The solution employs counterbalanced unmanned forklifts, utilizing integrated navigation technology that combines 3D laser SLAM with BeiDou positioning. This enables precise positioning. Even in open outdoor environments, the vehicles can reliably traverse steep inclines while maintaining stable operation with plus or minus 10 mm accuracy, handling dual pallet loads in a single trip. This achieves truly seamless and efficient indoor-outdoor transportation of seed industry products across factory premises and diverse operational scenarios. Autonomous forklifts can be dispatched on demand, significantly reducing reliance on manual labor and lowering overall operational costs. They greatly improve transfer efficiency and warehouse throughput, effectively enhancing the overall productivity of the seed industry.